Hello friends, this is my first video on YouTube. Oh, sorry, sixth, because I am in the partnership with Tech Banda. My name is Master D and I am his best friend. We are in the partnership in the YouTube channel Tech Banda. So I love to play games and I will tell you how to add joystick in Pokemon Go. Follow the steps carefully. First, go to Play Store. Search fake GPS Go. Search. See the first option. Fake GPS joystick. Installed it. I have already installed it, so I will open it. Open. Now the important steps. You have to search for any city you like. Search New York. I am in New York. This red option you can put it anywhere. I will put it Manhattan Community College. Click on it. Now listen carefully. Go to settings, location mode. Location mode should be on device only. Again listen, location mode should be on device only. Then go to developer option. 1 minute. Developer option might not come. So go to device information, build number. Again listen, device information, build number. Then click build number 5 to 7 times. You will become a developer and developer option will come. Then click on developer option, allow mock location. Look for it. See, allow mock location. You have to allow mock location. Then go to GPS Go. Then click start. You are teleported to that area in the game. And a joystick had appeared in my screen. You can see. Now you can enjoy playing Pokemon Go without moving outside. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel Tech Banda. Thanks.